Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Sassy Shan. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell if you like my channel. I don't know, so you can notify when I make a video. Welcome to Vlogmas. What's the day is it? I don't remember. Anywho, it's the night time and I feel like I just need to sing a little song for you. So here it goes.
Rockin' around Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see.
Oh come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel that mourns in lonely exile here until the Son of God appear. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. O come thou spring, come and share our spirits by thine advent here. Disperse and gloomy clouds of night and depths of dark shadows fly. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. O come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel that mourns in lonely exile here until the Son of God appear. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Thanks for watching. Comment down below which song you want me to sing next. Bye.
Rockin' around the Christmas tree, let the